நம்ம ஓட்டி தான் இருக்குது slowly. போடுவோம். Vanakkam and welcome back to Sister of the Road. We are meeting after a very long time in a full length video. Nariya shots la upload பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன் முன்னாடி. Anyway, last week we had gone with Madras Battle Axles அப்படின ஒரு off-road enthusiast group oda we had gone off-road. Palar la தான் போயிருந்தோம் as usual. So it was a big turnout, about 22 jeeps. We had packed lunch in the riverbed. It was a great day of off-road. More on this in this video. Stay tuned and enjoy. Luca, can put it over here, da? That's where Luca usually puts. Corona, da. The wind super heavy. That's okay, sir. Hold up. Update drop. Drop at it. Reverse. Go. Stop. Slowly drop down, turn right. Correct. Keep going. I tell you when to turn left, keep going. Go. Turn right. Okay, turn left. Left. An interesting piece of information about this culvert that we are crossing. Way back in 2015 when we had come for an off-road, அப்போ 3 பேர் தான் இதை செட்டப் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அப்போ நான் கேட்டேன் அவங்ககிட்ட இதை எதுக்கு நான் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கீங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. அப்போ அவங்க சொன்னாங்க அந்த கரையோரமாக இருக்கிற கோயில் வந்து தண்ணி வந்துச்சுன்னா அரைச்சிடும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொன்னாங்க. நான் சொன்னேன் தண்ணியா 40 வருஷம் இல்லாத தண்ணி எப்படி நான் இங்கே வரும்னு கேட்டப்போ அவங்க சொன்னது தண்ணி வரும் தம்பி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. 2015 December it flooded and if not for this culvert the temple is no more. எப்படி இதை அவங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க? It was fascinating. I always share this story with anyone I meet and then talk about Palar. Alright, the rocks.
You have a channel, is it?
Yes, I do. I'm just building it. No reviews and all, just off-road videos. This is a same 2.2, right?
Yeah. It's tricky if you go back, no? You get stuck on there.
What do you think?
Sitting there, huh?
It's not, but there's no. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Aarti Sharma, my wife. Just like how everyone has an open and closed throttle, my wife has engine off or floor. Put it on 3. Dump the clutch, go for it. Go, more power. Don't stop, come. Which gear did you come down? Alright, there's a relay happening right now. We are the turning point for these days. 2 vehicles have already started. A Thar Rocks versus an old CJ 500D is the first race. Alright, here comes a Thar Rocks. Leading the way distantly by the 500D. Of course, it's not a fair match, but it's a relay. There are 9 more vehicles to go, 8 more vehicles to go. So let's see. Hopefully, one of these guys will win. This is Team 2. Thar Rocks is Team 2. This is Team 1. Team 1 approaching us right now. CJ 500. Team 1's vehicle is coming. It's the time for you to catch up, guys. I don't know. Left turn. One is terribly lost. Here comes the Hilux from, I think, team 2. Yeah, has to be. Okay, super. This is exactly what people should have done. Smart move from team 2. Okay, team 1 seems to be terribly losing now. Okay, Endeavour, team 1, I think they're catching up. Endeavour is doing very well. Coming fast. Followed my traction. Alright. Okay, finally one guy who actually found the actual route. He's coming with his wipers on. Who is this? This is Kanan. Okay. Here comes the Isuzu team 1. He got the route, but it's a little bit slow. Hopefully he finds pace. Okay, no. Rajat in the manual Jimny, the only manual Jimny that we have seen. We could have taken left a little earlier, but fine. Alright. Come on, man, go catch up. Team 1 has actually caught up. If you can see, there's a Thar CRD coming right behind those bushes, jumping up and down, coming like one storm. Pardon the video quality because this is from an Android phone. This is some stupid phone my wife has. Anyway, team 2's we cross the black we cross 666 number plate has come with the current owner and the ex-owner sitting inside the vehicle. Okay, team 1, catch up, go. Alright, that's team 2's last vehicle. I think pretty much they're sealing the deal. They have strategized well. Faster vehicles from the start, and yeah, that's strategy. Sweet looking vehicle just not off now. Okay, I think it's official. Team 1, Team 2 has officially won this race, and Team 1 has lost it. Time for us to go and have lunch. We will catch up with you guys. What's up? Bye bye.
No, cargo.
You go and catch. Where do you go and catch fish?
In the ground.
Oh, you caught them.
The last one got them the most. But Phoenix, I also got them the most. Phoenix was here only. Phoenix.
Oh.
What Phoenix? The fast chicken in the area.
Okay, இதான் end of the video. நான் next videoல நான் உங்களை பார்க்குற வரைக்கும் I'm signing out. This is Siddharth here. You guys stay safe and have a great weekend ahead. Cheers.